It's your girl Jada back with it, you feel me? And today I'm gonna show you how to do some wing eyeliner using this new matte wing eyeliner I got from the drugstore by Essence Cosmetics. I really liked it. I've been doing wing eyeliner since I was little because it was one of the first things about makeup that I really got interested in, because I don't know, but something about wing eyeliner just fascinated me. Even so, I only used to use gel eyeliner. I just found myself getting comfortable using liquid. For this method, I'm gonna start with the wing. It's not really that important what the line looks like at first, because you can always go back and fix it. And I'm gonna show you how to do that too. It's all about in the flick of the wrist. And then you just follow the shape of your eye, and it's easiest to do it in short, quick strokes. I'm sorry the camera was not in focus right here, but yeah, just do in short, quick strokes and then build up onto the line. And you see the flick of the wrist, and that would give you that point at the end. Then you just fill in the empty space with short strokes like I did here. And then I find it easiest to start in the middle of the eye and then build up to the outer corner, and that's what you'll see me do here. You probably already noticed all this purple glitter all over my eye. Please don't pay attention to it, because I tried to do this other makeup look that was definitely a fail. So that's all that makeup residue you see on my eye. If you're just going to do a wing eyeliner, you don't have to really do this part, but I planned on doing like bottom eyeliner, so I just wanted to do this so that it connect with my wing. And I learned this technique recently. If you really want to get that feather tip, just drag your nail across it. And I was just like, wow, who knew? This part is going to be subjective to the way your eye is shaped and just your preference. I have almond shaped eyes, and I don't have much of an eyelid going, so I can do a thicker line and just want to make sure that the eyeliner shows from under my lashes. And so just depending on who you are, you may or may not want to do as thick of a line for your eyeliner. And we all know how the line can tend to get thicker the more you try to even it out. So that's just what I'm doing it here. Now for this side, I'm just gonna start with the eyelid. And like I said, it's easiest, I feel, when you start in the middle of the eye and just build upon it with short, small strokes. Also, I just want to give a fair warning. I am left-handed, so on this side, my hand kind of gets in the way of the camera, but this is just left-handed people problems, and I am sorry. You right-handed folks don't know how good you have it, because left-handed people, we have to write backwards, and I also have to put on my eyeliner backwards, so that's why my hand was in the way. And I'm sorry for getting out of frame here, because I was really trying to concentrate. And you saw where I accidentally put that dot. That really doesn't matter. You can really just build upon it. But if you wanted to fix it, you can use some concealer, which I'm going to show you how to clean up with concealer in a little bit. The left side looks so good, and then the right side, it could be better, but we're gonna make it better. Just watch. And so with this second method, you draw your wing, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna build upon the eyeliner that's already on your lid from your wing, just to even it out. And this is where I messed up trying to drag it. I think I tried to drag it too early because the liner was still pretty wet. But like I said, I'm going to show you how to fix it with concealer. And it didn't work that good this time either. We all know the struggle. This is just me trying to even them out in thickness. And this is an alternative to using your nail to drag it. Once you get towards the wing, you have to make your hand light in order to get the flick and the feather that you want. I'm sorry about not being in frame that well. I could have swore I was, but you can take any like small, skinny, flat concealer brush and just cover it up. Cover up the part that you messed up. Now I'm just going to work on evening them out. We all know how quickly downhill this can go, and you can end up with eyeliner up to your brows. It takes a lot of practice and patience, my love, so just work at it and you will get it, I promise. For your under eyeliner, pencil and coal liners work best. I'm just using red here to add a twist, but you can definitely use black. Just a tip, ladies, that turquoise looks really good and will make your eyes pop, especially if your eyes are brown. So yeah. Also, if you go back over your black liquid eyeliner with a coal liner, it would help set it. I didn't do it on top because you didn't really need it, but just as a tip. And so that's all for the eyeliner tutorial. The rest of the video is just gonna be me getting the rest of my face together or whatever. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned to the end of the video if you just want to see what I did the rest of my face.